Alright, we got those sheets put together and trimmed, so time to see how it goes. Definitely stiff and solid. Doesn't need any more trimming. It's in there. Now we need to screw it into the transom skin so that we can really get everything dialed in and, you know. I drill out all these holes. We'll have all the putty in them. Now let's see if I can mount this and see if it comes flat. Getting late, we'll run out of light soon. Time changing tomorrow. We have long business. You know, tomorrow I'm gonna get this mounted in. So that's the plan. Alright then, I can just leave this for tomorrow then. Okay, so it's about time we start working on the transom. And we got our first 2 layers of core material ready and put in place, but we noticed the fiberglass skin had a curve to it, concave. So this is our efforts to straighten everything up while bonding in the new core. We got some channel steel, and we got our old bracket bolts and nuts and washers going through to the inside, and just hoping to keep everything flat. Okay, and these are strategically placed so that we don't have to create any new holes in this already holy skin of the transom with hundreds of holes in it. Yep, and this is what we got on the inside. Had to cut up some 2x material to give us a little more thickness because the bolts are so long. Everything's tightened down right now. We gotta take it apart and keep on prepping, and we should have this in soon. Look at all that squeeze out, man. I think we got a good contact in there. Good bond. Squeezing out everywhere. Squeeze out everywhere. I think we did good. So it's been 2 days later, getting ready to unbolt this little rig and see what happens. There it is. She looks pretty nice and flat. Pretty nice and flat. That's about as straight as she's gonna get. Okay, let's see, we got some nice squeeze out all around here. This of course got to sand and build back out. I tried spreading it out, but it wasn't working out too good, especially with those bars in place. And the fibers were just pulling. You can see the mess I made here. So I just said, to hell with it. We'll just sand it smooth. It got nice and hard. Most of the holes got filled up really nice with all the squeeze through, especially the ones that were behind the bars, like this one. This was the ugly hole. Big.
It's not big, like
got filled. Yeah. Got filled nice. Nice. I wish all got filled nice like that. But yeah, one step closer. Making it happen. Making it happen. Making it happen.